Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the wallpaper in the Opera web browser in 2026 and install a new wallpaper. So let us dive into this. In the first step, launch the Opera web browser, and as you can see, I'm currently using this wallpaper here. To change that, navigate to your browser settings, click into Appearance on the top left, and here make sure that you enable wallpapers to the right by switching on this feature. After that, you may go, for example, through that library of wallpapers and select the given one for you. I will go with this one here, but you can also navigate to the wallpaper library here on Opera, or upload your custom one as JPEG or PNG file format from your device. So you may do that by clicking into this button or navigate to this library here. And for instance, go through that list, through that library here, and click into the given one to make it your wallpaper by clicking into this button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.